Enso network. So this is a brand new crypto. Even though they've launched, they actually been got founded in 2021. This is brand new. Got listed yesterday. Since being listed, a ton of volume's gone through. Now it's dropped off about 40 odd percent from the moment of listing to now. But with the volume going through, with the potential chart setup that is there, this might be ready to have quite a bit of movement. Expect a lot of volatility here for this one. So I'm going to dive into what it is, what they're trying to do, what price movements we could see in the next sort of 48 hours. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on this channel. In each of the videos, I showed myself buying up these cryptos. These were coins I thought were going to make a lot of money. And these were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd popped $100 into them. If you'd have done that for every single one, that would have cost you $2,600 investments, but you would have netted a profit in the last bull cycle of over 123 grand. Now, that took about 16 months to play out. You don't have 16 months. We're in a bull cycle right now, and if you've got cryptos you are not happy with, fix it now. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. Now, this is the special offer I'm running for my YouTube followers. You can get full access to the site, full membership for half price. And like with everything I do, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. If during the 60-day window you don't like the service, email my team. They'll refund you, no questions asked. On the site, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do well, like many of these, I jump onto the site, tell the members about the crypto, the reasons I'm going to buy it, and price I'm buying it at. I do the same when I sell, so there's no work for my members. On the site, you can see some of the profits made by the members, some of the successes that led to them, like Phantom. Phantom is now known as Sonic, but in the last bull cycle, one of the best performers. My members got in so much faster than the rest of the market. We got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times the investment. A lot of my members became millionaires from that one alone. This is public record. You can verify it online. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. Now, Enso, like I say, it's not been around long, like a day, but it's done $500 million worth of volume for a 50 mil market cap crypto. That's pretty good, especially given that the listings that happened immediately were all the big boys. All the big boys. Binance, Bybit, BitGet, MEXC, KuCoin. I mean, barring Coinbase, all the big boys have listed Enso. If you're interested in buying it, by the way, highly recommend BitGet. BitGet have some of the best welcome offers in crypto right now. If you sign up using the link in the description, you're entitled to like $6,200 welcome pack. That welcome pack, obviously you've got to do some activities to get entitled to it all, but you can scale up. They also have one of the best futures markets in the world. And there is actually a current futures competition where you can get up to $850,000. So if you're a good futures trader, worth having a look, because they also have copy trading, which can earn you very, very well. And they have gold bullion up for grabs in the competitions that are happening right now. But link is in the description. Have a look if you've not got an account with them. As for Enso, right? So 10,000 holders since listing, so in the last 24 hours. So part of Polychain Capital, multi-coin capital's portfolio. So the idea is that they bring every blockchain together. It's like a universal platform, right? In a single unified network. This single point of access for all blockchain development is where developers can read, write, and interact with any smart contract on any chain from a single integration. That actually improves the ability for all developers to scale as well, because in theory they could go onto multiple chains at once. So it allows developers to build composable applications for millions of users across Web 2 and Web 3. While Web 2 boasts over 4.7 million apps, Web 3 is still emerging with just 4,700. So they're trying to be the infrastructure for the ecosystem that enables developers to build and scale on-chain applications. They're already powering over 145 enterprise-grade products. It's been used to settle more than $17 billion on-chain. So usage has already been very, very good, in spite of the fact that the token really is only launched in the last 24 hours. It played a key role in the high-profile launch of Berachain, where Enso was used to facilitate 3.1 billion in executed transactions. The Uniswap migration tool was released in collaboration with Uniswap, Layer 0, and Stargate. Plume, ZK Sync, and Sonic used Enso for their incentivized launch campaigns. There are a ton of other high-profile enterprises that use Enso to build their products. So, I mean, again, Sonic is Phantom. It's like renamed from Phantom. Uniswap, massive. ZK Sync, massive. Layer 0, massive. Stargate. Like, you're talking about real top-tier projects that are using Enso's tech. Again, really good sign. It's backed by Polychain, Multicoin. What just happened there? That was weird. It's backed by, where was I? Polychain, Multicoin, Naval, Ravikant, Cyberfund, Dialectic, Spartan, and IDEO. Plus, they have 70 angel investors from other top projects like Layer 0, Safe, 1inch, Yearn, Flashbots, Dune, Pendle, Alt Layer, etc. So, hugely backed. Founded by Connor Howe, who has been building on Ethereum since 2016, wrote one of the first UK research papers on Ethereum. He built the world's first legal digital asset bank in Switzerland, where he built a fully collateralized stablecoin with the collateral stored in the Swiss National Bank. Multi-sig infrastructure tokenization suite, capital raise process, and assisted with cold and hot storage that hold over 5 billion in assets as of today. His resume is outstanding. Then when you go to Enso, you can see what it is, right? It's going to be the go-to portal for development. 250 protocols already using it, 100 plus apps already using Enso, 1,900 developers already building with Enso. This is really positive. And the fact that this has happened, has been happening while there's been no token, it shows that the team have been constantly working on making sure that the technology behind their product, behind their project, is good enough that people are going to just start working with them straight off the bat. The fact that people are working with them, have been working with them off the bat while no one's really known about the token till the launch, recently. Again, outstanding sign. Outstanding sign. I mean, this could actually end up having a really, really good run. And chart setup, I will actually just show, because actually I don't think this is a bad little chart to show as an example. Someone posted this, so I don't know who this is. Apologies, I've not shouted you out. They were showing the chart setup based off of launch. And as you can see, not a bad potential chart setup in terms of what could happen. In terms of price, could it be at $3 very, very soon? Although this was 19 hours ago when this person posted it. Crypto Jobs. So shout out. I'll see if there's anything a little different here that we can use. So good to buy while it's low market cap with only... I mean, generally, sentiment when I've gone around seems to be very positive. Enso, like I said, not been around very long at all. And yes, while it launched at a much higher price than it is right now, it does look like it's got wiggle room to move up. Again, the fact that it launched straight on the biggest exchanges, barring Coinbase, outstanding sign. We may well see this double, treble, even quadruple over the coming couple of weeks as things stabilize. Always there's going to be volatility in the opening few days with any crypto. But the backers here really strong. The underlying numbers here in terms of usage, very, very strong. The amount of settlement that's happened as a result of Enso, again, very, very strong. It looks like it could move. Looks like it could move well. Of course, if there's a huge market pullback, that might kick any momentum that it gains out from under its legs. But right now, that big pullback might be very beneficial as things stabilize a bit. This, like I say, very few coins get listed on all the big exchanges all at once. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. If you're one of the 10,000 holders that's bought up Enso, what are you thinking right now? Are you hoping that this is going to be a banger? Do you think this can absolutely rock it up? Are you doubling down on your investment since its price drop? Are you thinking of getting out? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And guys, we're in a bull cycle. And if you are sitting on cryptos that you're not happy with, that aren't performing for you, you have to fix it. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. The special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers, you can get full access to the website, full membership for just half price. On the site, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do very, very well, jump onto my site, tell my members the crypto, the reasons it can do well, the price I'm buying at. I do the same when I sell. On the site, you can see some of the profits made by my members based on some of the successes we've had, whether it is a meme coin the members were in and out of in just a fortnight that did over 300x, whether it's Phantom, which in the last bull cycle, comfortably one of the best performers. My members got in way faster than almost anyone in the market. They got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times their investment. Some of them became millionaires from that one alone. This is public record. But go through the site, watch the videos, verify it all. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners this bull cycle this year, all you have to do to find out is join up on the site. And as always, with everything I do, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if during that time you decide it's not for you, you email my team, they'll refund you your money, no questions asked, guys. But have a look through the site, and if you like it, I'll see you there. Take it easy. Bye-bye.